Hey guys, it's Marrow. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you transcription jobs you can do from home and earn up to $950 a week. You're not going to make that right away, but I'm going to show you how you can type faster and make more money. If you stick around until the end, I'm going to show you a great tip. And I wanted to share this with you because a lot of people are out of work right now with the coronavirus. I'm in healthcare, and ironically enough, I'm not getting all my hours because they're having to limit admissions and all kinds of things because of the virus. So I think everybody these days needs an extra way to make money from home, and this is a very valid way that you can do that. So I wanted to share it with you because I think transcription jobs are good because you get paid weekly. There's no experience required, and again, if you stick around till the end, I'm going to share with you how you don't even need to be that fast of a typer. It's available worldwide. It can be done from home, which everyone seems to be at home right now. You can set your own hours, and a lot of these sites you can get training and coaching as well. The first site we're going to go to is GoTranscriptcom, and the pay is 60 cents per audio minute. Now that's not, you don't get paid 60 cents per minute, it's 60 cents per audio minute, no matter how long it takes you to transcribe that. The average monthly earning is $150. The top earner makes $12.15 a month. And then you get weekly payouts via PayPal. So all you need to do on this one here, go to GoTranscriptcom. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and all of these are legitimate sites. People come here to get things transcribed, but you can also come to these sites to get a job as a transcriptionist. So if we go all the way to the bottom, just right here where it says for transcriptionist, click on work. And then they're going to show you exactly how to sign up. And you just watch that video and click on apply now. Okay, so that's the first site. The second one is called Scrubby, and they're going to pay you anywhere from $5 to $25 per audio hour. And again, that can take you 5 hours to transcribe an audio hour, depending on how fast you type, or an hour, so you could get paid $25 an hour if you're really fast typer and you've done this for a long time. You have short files that are less than 10 minutes. They do pay you again through PayPal. And I like this one because they pay you a monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed each month. So that can definitely add up. There is a referral program where you get paid 5% on every transcript order. And then you'll earn 2.5% of the earnings of anyone you refer who transcribes. There's no limit to the amount of referrals earnings, so you can refer this to as many people as you want. But to go there and sign up as a transcriptionist, you're going to go, same thing, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says jobs, and then it'll say transcribers right over here on the right hand side, apply now. And they do have a live chat in case you have any questions. Okay, that's the second one. The third site is TranscriptionMe.com. It's completely free to sign up. You will have to take an exam with this one. I think a lot of them you do take exams, and you get paid anywhere from $15 to $22 per audio hour. And they said that the top earners get paid $2,200 a month. Average earners is $250 a month. No experience or investment, and you do again get paid via PayPal. So I would recommend that you sign up for all of these because you're going to get a lot more jobs that way. So if we go to TranscriptionMe.com, this one here, all you do is click on the upper right hand corner where it says join as transcriptionist. And you can see it does come very well recommended. And then you can just click on join today. Okay, and the next one is dailytranscription.com. You can get paid with this one via a check if you are in the United States and Canada. If outside, you have to make other arrangements. But the starting rates are 75 cents to 85 cents per audio minute. And the top earners make $250 to $950 per week, and it's free to join. So let's go to dailytranscription.com. And this one, you're just going to click on careers. And then you'll see there's different things that you could do with this one besides being a transcriptionist. You could also be a subtitler or a captioner. If you speak Spanish, that's to your advantage because you could do some bilingual Spanish transcription jobs. So you just click on transcriptionist and then you'll apply to be a transcriptionist here. Okay, and then the last one is 1-800-TypeItUp.com. This one you do need to pay a little bit for the entrance exam, and that will cost you $39. But to me, it's worth it because I think they pay higher rates than some of the other sites, anywhere from $30 to $180 per audio hour. Again, no matter how long it takes you to do that, it could take you 4 or 5 hours to type up the audio, but they do pay higher. It is worldwide, and they pay via PayPal, Western Union, or Payoneer, so they do have different ways that you can get paid on that one. So if we go over here, you can see they have a live chat, but what you're going to do, close that out, is you're going to come down here to jobs, and you will apply here. Okay, so actually I think it's better if you click on apply. Yeah, because here's the job application. Just click on apply and just fill all this out. And again, they do have a live chat. Applicant frequently asked questions if you have any questions about this site. So these are all reputable sites, and again, I would recommend that you apply to all of them so you can get as many jobs as you can, especially if you're out of work and you have plenty of time on your hands that you could do this. And it's not something that is difficult to do, but it does take some work because the audio may not be that clear and when someone's speaking, so you have to kind of work through it and make sure that you're getting it accurate with what the audio says and what you're typing. But I wanted to share with you how you could do this without actually typing, and this can save you a lot of time and allow you to make a lot more money. So what you can do is go to speechnotes.co. This is what this website looks like, but all you need to do is have a microphone, of course, on your computer, but this is speech to text. So I paused this here, but you can see that as I'm talking here, it is being typed onto this Word document. And you pause it. So you would listen to the audio, pause the audio, and speak what you remembered them saying into here, and then of course you can go back and listen to it again and make corrections in here as to what you thought you heard, and then when you listen to it back again you can change it in here, and then you can just copy and paste this into whatever document they want to be submitted to them. So this is a great way that, I mean, you can save tons of time on typing. I'm a really fast typer, but to me this would be something where you can make a lot more money because you're going to be able to type a lot faster. So speechnotes.co, that's a great site that you can just make a lot more money with these transcription jobs. So again, you're not going to get super rich with this, but as you, just like any other skill, as you learn, you're going to get better and better and better at it. Any new skill that you're learning, you're not that good at it at the beginning, so you might not make that much money because it's going to take you a lot longer to do this. But you want to be accurate and you want to do a good job. So, but it is a great way that you can make extra money from home. So I hope you guys found some value in these transcription jobs that you can do from home. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you like. With that being said, this is Karen Marrow signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.